Welcome back to the Physician Gardener, where we discuss all things health and wellness. Today, we are continuing our lifestyle medicine series with pillar number 4, stress management. When people are stressed, they are less likely to engage in healthy habits, even though some of these habits can improve their stress levels. High stress can also lead to increased depression and anxiety, which in turn evolve into increased risk of heart attacks, high blood pressure, heart cancer, etc. Now, depression and anxiety are not just related to stress, they're multifactorial. Some of it's a bit genetic, some of it's the environment you're in, the things that you eat. But stress is definitely one of the most modifiable risk factors. And so we want to focus on different ways to manage our life stress so that's not contributing to the things that we cannot control, such as genetics. So, some ways we can manage our stress would be to participate in mindfulness exercises, meaning exercises where you focus on positivity or where you are meditating doing certain doing certain relaxation techniques. Um, there are apps to help you improve your mindfulness because studies have shown that increased mindfulness, especially positive mindfulness, decreases stress, anxiety, depression, etc. You can also do breathing techniques when you are stressed out to help you kind of calm down or like release the stress from your body. There's something called abdominal breathing that you can try. There's also there's several different breathing techniques you can do. Some people will say go outside, count down from 10, making sure you're taking a deep inhale and exhale throughout that process. There's also the 4-7-8, where you breathe in for 4, hold for 7, breathe out for 8. And doing that a couple times has been shown to be very helpful to some people. Another method of managing your stress would be to engage in creative pursuits. So, if there is a hobby that you like, such as dance, like line dancing, regular dancing, ballroom dance, any type of dance, if you like that, that is often a stress reliever. If you like art, creating some type of artistic expression can help relieve stress. Playing an instrument, singing, any type of thing that you would consider creative, you can do as a way to relieve stress. Some people even take up knitting. I believe Michelle Obama took up knitting during the pandemic, and that seems to have been something she really enjoys. So just find an activity that you enjoy and make sure to incorporate that into your lifestyle. Other common practices people use to improve their stress would be massage, yoga, tai chi. Some people read self help books or listen to self help gurus. There's also several websites about relieving your stress and self help websites. So, any of those are can be free and useful techniques for improving your stress. You just have to put in the effort to start doing it and continue it. Other good stress relieving techniques would be volunteering for a good cause, not only because you feel like you are helping people and making a difference in people's lives, that improves stress and overall contentment, but also there's the social connection that can help relieve your stress when you are doing that type of activity. Another great source of comfort and stress relief for a lot of people would be spiritual or religious practices. So, a lot of people, I'm in South Carolina, so a lot of people are very into church and prayer. And so, if I ask if they meditate, they say, well, I pray, and that does count. Prayer, and if you ask certain people, they would say prayer is a form of meditation. So, talking to whoever your God is or whatever spiritual entity or non entity you believe in can be a great source of stress relief. Time in nature is also a great stress reliever. Now, if you absolutely hate being outside, this is not the tip for you. But if you like being outside or if you like just getting fresh air, then going on a walk or even just sitting outside your house, maybe on the back patio if you have one or a balcony, and just taking some time to sit and breathe and just just relax can be a really good stress reliever. If you are in an area that's close to like a park, or I'm in South North Carolina, I'm right on the border. So there's tons of lakes, and the mountains are 2 hours, hour and a half, 2 hours away. And then if you go 3 hours east, you got the beach. So there's lots of options depending on where you live. Another couple of tips would be to exercise regularly. Try and focus on the things that are going well in life. Connect with others, and you can also try journaling. I've tried journaling several times in life. It's not for me. I'll do it for a week and then completely forget about it. But time in nature, yoga, exercise, they work well for me. So you don't have to incorporate all of these tips, but picking the ones that sound the most interesting to you is a great way to start. Maybe just start with one. If you like it, continue. If you don't like it, switch to something else. There's nothing set in stone that you have to do a specific activity. So just keep your options open. And then, if you feel like none of these things are helping and you still feel stressed, overwhelmed, sad, depressed, anxious, definitely seek out your doctor or a mental health professional, because counseling and medications definitely have their place in this arena. And you don't want to just rule those things out, because not all anxiety, stress, depression is going to be controlled with just modifying your lifestyle. It can be greatly improved for some people, but for other people, you definitely need the extra help, so don't be afraid to seek that out. There are several websites online where you can seek that as well. So just do your research, consult your doctor, and I hope you found this video helpful. Whenever you go see your doctor, if you feel like you're stressed, overwhelmed, depressed, be open and honest, because they can't help you if they don't know what's going on. That's all for today. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you'll be alerted whenever I drop a new video. And also follow me on Instagram at The Physician Gardener.